Hello guys, let's derive the equation of the parabola y square equals to 4ax. And before we start, this is the graph of the parabola that we're going to curve. So it looks like this simply because here we'll have y equals to root 4ax, meaning that we have square root of x. And since x is inside the square root, it cannot be negative. So in the graph, it looks like this over here, and x will stay positive. Now, to derive the equation, we first have to talk about the definition of parabola. So, parabola is defined as the locus, which is the shape made by a moving point in a plane, such that its distance from a fixed point to a fixed line remains the same at any instant or at any time. And here, the fixed point is known as the focus, and this fixed line is known as the directrix. So according to definition, this and that point will be the same at any point. At any time. So that means even from here to here, this is just a rough sketch. This will be the same, and from here to here again, this will be the same. And from here we can graph a sketch like this and we'll get a parabola. So let's say our moving point is at a point P on this parabola at the point x comma y. So from the definition, we have that this line and this line, they will be the same. Just don't mind my diagram, they don't look the same, but trust me, in maths it is. And let's call this point A. Now, we're dealing with a parabola at the origin, and that means the vertex lies at the origin. Of course, we're going to be doing later when it's at a vertex h comma k, and it will be very similar and easy. And after this video, you guys can try to find the equation of parabola x square equals to 4ay by yourself. And here, we want to find the point. So we know PS is equals to PA. So that means if we know the distance from here to here and from here to here, we can just equate them and find the equation. And that's exactly what we're going to do. And you see this A right here. This is actually the length from the focus to the vertex. So this length is A, and here the point or the coordinate at the focus will be a comma 0, because we have just traveled A in the x-axis and in the x line without changing the y value. So another fact about a parabola is that the directrix lies in the equal but opposite direction to that where the focus lies. Meaning, if we have traveled distance A from O to S, in the same manner we travel distance A from origin but in the opposite direction. And here, this distance will also be A, and let's just call this point T. This will be minus A comma 0, because at that point it will lie in the negative x-axis. So we have found S and P. Let's find the coordinate at A, which will be quite easy because here this is a straight line going up, meaning its x value does not change and it is minus A. And for its y value, it's also quite simple because A and P lies in a straight line, so it will have the same y value as that of P. And now just simple. We have PS equals to PA. We know the three coordinates. Just apply the distance formula and equate them. So for this PS, we'll have x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to root x minus a, which is just plus x plus a whole square plus y minus y whole square. And from here it's just simple algebra. So square both sides, that will get rid of the roots. You'll have x minus a whole square plus y square equals to x plus a whole square. And in the next step, you can just move this over here. So y square is equals to x plus a whole square minus x minus a whole square. And you can solve this in any way you want. I'm just going to do that difference of squares. So it will be x plus a plus x minus a into x plus a minus x minus minus plus a. So this will cancel, this will cancel. Y square is equals to 2x into 2a, and therefore y square equals to 4ax. There we go, we found the equation of the parabola. Now, this is for when the vertex is at 0, 0. But what if it's not at the origin? What if it's at the point h, k? Well, you can try this on your own, but I'll give you a hint. So, suppose this is h, k, and we have also traveled a distance of a. The coordinate of the focus will be h plus a, k. Because from the point h, we have traveled a distance a, so it will be h plus a simply. And for this point also, you can do the same. This will be h minus a, this will be h minus a, and you can continue from there, and you can just simplify, and it will give you finally y minus k whole square is equals to 4a x minus h. So, as I mentioned earlier, with the similar approach and from the definition, please try to find the parabola with this equation right here, and a rough curve for this equation is like this. So try it yourself, and if you learn something new, please like and subscribe. Thank you.